Joshy and Lukey, what do you have in your hand, Josh?
I have a walkie. We're launching out this rocket. This remote.
All right, so Joshy, tell me, what are we gonna do today?
When we put this button.
What, we push that button, what's gonna happen?
And the rocket is, when we put the rocket on here, I'm gonna step in your...
Oh wow, and what do you think is gonna happen?
It's gonna blast off.
Where do you think it's gonna go?
Up into the sun.
Okay, so you guys are gonna go stay back with Mommy and Benny.
And then the blast off.
Count down.
3, 2, 1.
9.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Go.
Blast off! Hold me!
It is hot. Joshy, it is hot. No. Okay, let's go back and try our bigger one.
Ready! 3, 2, 1. Wait!
Okay.
1,
10, 9.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
The launch pad boys. All right, so Joshy, what do you notice?
That this kind of board.
And yeah, kind of burnt, right? From the explosion. Now smell it. Smell your finger where you're touching that.
Smells like the sea.
It smells like the sea. Probably smells like sulfur a little bit. Yeah. Sure.
Scratch your finger.
Yep. You say that it smells
Oh,
like
my
burnt.
ball.